brought that near my ears and she woke me up. Amarendra Bahubali. Woohoo! Oh, पोख मारा है तो केक पोख रही है. What a relaxing Saturday, a self care, self love Saturday it was today. Come watch the video till the end to know what actually happened. कसं म्हणत आहे कशांत आहे अमरेंद्र बाहुबली ओ पोख मारा है तो केक पोख रही है. What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath, and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's a lazy Saturday vlog. The time is 11 a.m. I just woke up. No, rewind. I woke up at 8 a.m. because Babu woke up around some 7 a.m. And yeah, we were trying to put her to sleep. Somehow it didn't work, and then we all had to wake up at 8 a.m. Then my cook also came in. My husband, poor guy, was taking care of the baby while I went and slept for some more time. For a bath now, we'll put her back to sleep and then I'll have breakfast and all of that. It's a relaxing Saturday because I have booked a urban company session again, a pedicure session where they massage your feet and clean the feet. I quickly had a bath because I had a video coming up at 12 p.m. now. That is, want to become a content creator? Then watch this video. This is a step by step guide where I tell you all my experience and how things have worked for me, what didn't work for me. All those tips are in this video. So don't miss this. I think I've given all the insights that I had, all the information I had. I didn't withhold anything. Hope it helps whoever wants to, start content creation. Go ahead. All the best. We'll go have breakfast. That is sabudana khichdi. The time is around 12 p.m. now. This is my sabudana khichdi, which my cook prepared. She's also new to this, so she also doesn't know how to cook properly. She saw YouTube video and made it, I think. So I told her to grind the groundnuts in the mixer and then put that powder, but I think she forgot. Instead, she has added lot of oil. So first, you have to fry the peanuts, and then if you grind them and make it into coarse powder, and add to your sabudana while frying, while you are preparing, then the sabudana will not become sticky. The urban company professional just arrived, and then it was lunchtime around 1:30. I asked her if she had lunch, and she said no. Then I gave her some sabudana khichdi to eat. She liked it seems. So yeah, now I show you the setup. They carry everything. You must have seen people in Bangalore. I mean, they carry a lot of things themselves. Only water they ask from us to boil things and all that. Otherwise, everything they bring. I was thinking I have to give nail polish for pedicure, but I'm seeing she only has brought everything, and everything is brand new packets. They have to open in front of us. They have to show us first that this is your even facial whatever. They have to show us, ma'am, this is your facial kit. See, and then they'll open that seal in front of us and then they'll apply. And at the end of the service, it seems they have to scan. There'll be a QR code on that facial packet. They have to scan and upload. And I will also get a receipt of it that everything was opened in front of me, and I'll get the QR code and scan. So they carry this cloth and they have spread it down on the floor so that no water spillage happens. They carry lot of tools, and see, these are new fresh packets of pedicure masks and everything which she'll open in front of me. Everything is new, not anybody's used products. And then these are all the tools and nail paints, everything she has carried. And those are file for the legs to remove all the dead skin. I took consent from the urban company professional. She was not comfortable showing her face on camera, so I will make sure she is not seen and only my footage comes. In normal parlors, they'll remove the dead skin using some scraper, But here now in Urban Company, they have some tool, it seems, that they'll rub over your feet and all your dead skin, everything is gone. It'll come out powdery. I like the tool very much. हाँ, एडिटिंग में बहुत टाइम जाता है पहले, और मैं आलसी भी हूँ तो इसमें बहुत टाइम लगता है। मैं वही अभी तो बेबी होने के बाद और then they'll trim my nails and cut and file the nails. They'll remove any excess nail polish and all of that is there, and they'll file it. मेकअप ब्लॉगर थी, मेकअप वीडियो बनाती थी श्रेया जैन करके, बहुत पहले से बनाती थी उनको देख। The best thing I love about Urban Company, see here, she's opening a new packet and then applying all right in front of me. So they're very professional and everything is brand new, no used products, and very hygienic service also. Also, if you're watching the video without hitting that like button, please hit that like button. And I upload one long video every week and shorts almost daily. So don't forget to subscribe. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. पेडिक्योर स्क्रैपिंग स्क्रबिंग सब एक तरफ, और पेडिक्योर का मसाज इज हेवनली. The massage that they do on the feet and the thighs is simply amazing, takes me to another world. Wow, look at my feet and legs, it's literally shining. I chose this golden nail polish, but after that I felt it washed out on my legs, so I shouldn't have chosen it maybe. Some brighter colors would have been better. And the Urban Company's pedicure description said that shoulder massage is complimentary, so I asked for it, and I really, really enjoyed this a lot. I live in a very stressful work setup, as well as even life after baby is just running around. So I really enjoy these moments where I get to relax. This feels very, very heavenly. And also, yes, self care, self love is very, very important. Please prioritize yourself. After an amazing pedicure session, massage session from Urban Company, I feel so relaxed. Yeah, the pedicure costed 1000 rupees, 970, 950 rupees, I think, almost 1000 rupees it costed. It was good. I liked it. Now the time is 4 p.m. Yeah, it's everybody's tea time, and I'm going to have lunch now. Let me show you. This is roti, this is dahi curd, that is cabbage sabzi. She put a lot of oil, and that's code bade. No crunch, no lunch. No crunch, no lunch. This is very bad habit. I'm feeling extremely sleepy. I think I'll sleep for some time.
2,000 years later.
हाँ त्या पूर्ण मंडला आर्ट गया. The thing about sleeping in the evenings, afternoons is after that you feel very sleepy all day. That's what I'm feeling now. This is the reason my husband doesn't sleep at all in the afternoons. Do you also feel very sleepy after sleeping in the afternoon the whole day? Let me know in the comments. So let me tell you a magic trick which worked for me for periods pain. When periods started the first day, I used to have periods pain. Somebody suggested this to my mother, that raisins, you know, right? Raisins, vanadrakshi, that you say, soak it in water in the night, and next day morning you have to drink that water as well as the raisins. These are the raisins. This is very good if you have constipation problem also, and sleep problems also. I think they give this to kids who can't sleep. One grape they give, I think. I used to drink this daily. I've been drinking this for almost daily for years together now. And what I can see is I don't have periods pain. I don't have stomach pain. So if you have periods pain, no, try this. Try this for 1 or 2 months and see. Not more grapes, just 5 6 grapes is in raisins is enough. Raisins, vanadrakshi, sukkal draksha. So that dry grapes, raisins, you soak it in water overnight, and next day morning you have to drink it. If you drink on empty stomach is also good. If not, you can drink it after food or also breakfast is also okay, but you have to drink it. Try it, and I hope it cures your period stomach pain. It worked for me. I hope it works for you too. Get ready to attend Tala Maddale concert. कसं राहते लास्ट ऐदनं मिळचिव खेळचाक ओहो कसं ना मारची दादा ओ हाँ कशाना मारते दाखव ना oh today morning I was sleeping, and what she did was she brought that near my ears and she woke me up. कश करते कश मारते see the way she's walking like she's inspecting what to do next, what to destroy next. Now she'll carry this china pot, it seems. Oh, Amarendra Bahubali. Woohoo. Kasan nanate? Kashante? Raj are cooked to make something for dinner, and this is what she has made. Let me show you. Ye na sambar hai, ye na rice hai. This is something in between. She has mixed both and made something, it seems. Let's see. इसमें सब है, पुलाव भी नहीं है ये, भगवान जाने क्या है। क्या बटाटो है तो इतनी लोडो तो खा के बताइए कैसा बना है। मैंने नहीं बनाया वैसे। Saying what are you showing me भिखारी like। अब मैं सज धज के थोड़ी ना व्लॉग बनाऊंगी, वो थोड़ी ना, फिर मैं व्लॉग ही नहीं बना पाऊंगी। सज धजना है ये वो करके, I will not be able to make vlogs only then. So the time is around 10:30 now. We put the baby to sleep around 10 p.m. She was sleepy from the evening. I sensed it. But then I thought, no. If I put her to sleep early, then what she'll do is she'll wake up in 3 a.m. in the night and not sleep at all after that. So I thought, okay, let's leave it. Let her sleep at 10. Now she's sleeping, and now let me enjoy mangoes. Looks very raw type. Pura harvi pikoche. Everything they ripen, I mean half ripen it is now these days. They forcefully ripen everything. Shouldn't have bought this. It's not even yellow, it's green. Little sour taste is there. So that was my Saturday relaxed routine with Urban Company's pedicure. I loved the massage. Also, she gave me a shoulder massage, which was also very good. Yeah, also I uploaded a very good video on if you want to become a content creator, how to become a content creator in 2026. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch it. I leave a link in the I button. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, hit that like button. If you are new, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit that hype button also. You can support me, and let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.